So today I'm gonna be sharing my experience about visiting Prague. So basically, we are heading towards the city center right now. We're waiting for a tram. Public transport is pretty good here, and most of the places in city center are walkable, and you can just walk and get to most of the places. So I'll keep you guys posted as I visit different places. Alright, that's our tram coming right now. Number 5.
And the new town. So you start from stop number 1, the astronomical clock. From there you get on a bus. So our bus comes every after 25 minutes. You book another bus. So stop number 2, you see the Jewish quarter, the Prague Castle, all these tourist attractions. 10 stops in the old town. You go see the dancing house, and if you want, you can even get a river cruise for 1 hour, up and down. It's very beautiful, double deck. In the new town, it's just 1 hour drive. You don't have to get up or not up here. Yes. So in terms of the price, like for the family, there's a charge. It can be for 24 hours with a boat cruise. I can give you for 2,600. It makes your tourism more easier because you get to visit all the places that you want with our bus, which goes around this tourist destination.
Okay. Alright, that's fine. Hi guys, so you can see this guy was giving us some information, and he was trying to sell us the hop on and hop off bus tour for 24 hours or 48 hours. But to be honest with you, as per my research and I spoke to some people who came here, it's a very walkable city, so you don't really need any hop and a hop off bus because most of the time they're stuck in traffic anyway, and you can easily walk most of the places. They're very nearby. So yeah. So I came across this Thai massage here right in the city center, but try to avoid these because they're very overly priced because of this location. Just so you know, so I think if you really want to get a massage done or any spa services, you should try it somewhere outside the city center. It'll be much cheaper.
Well, you can't get with whipped cream and ice cream. Taky vandrák, kámo, tak
Taky Bengály.
tam se slaví, ne?